Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get and find your Wi-Fi password that you are connected to in Windows 10 using these simple steps. The first step is when you are on the desktop, just click on type here to search and then type in control panel. The very first option which comes up where it says control panel, click on that and another menu will appear up. Now in here, you will be able to see network and internet. Just in case if you have a different kind of, let's say, interface, you can just change view by to category. In here, you will be able to see network and internet. Click on that. Underneath network and sharing center, click on view network status and tasks. When you click on that, another page will open up. Here you will be able to see the word internet. Underneath that, you will be able to see the name of your Wi-Fi. Now, when you click on that, another menu will appear up. Here you will be able to see some nitty-gritty things such as sent, received and all that. Here we need to click on wireless properties. Now when you click on wireless properties, there would be another two options. One would be connection, another one would be security. Click on security and this would be the final menu. Now once here you click on show characters, this network security key, it would be changed from these dots to your Wi-Fi password. So I won't be revealing my Wi-Fi password obviously, but then once you click on that, you will be able to see that. Now this may be helpful in those cases where you might have put in your Wi-Fi password a long time ago and now you have forgotten it and you might need the Wi-Fi password for some other device. So this is where you can get that password from. So I hope you got what you were looking for in the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, do hit that like button. Also, if you're new to this channel, do consider subscribing so that whenever the new videos are up, you would be the first one to get notified about them. With that, I'm done with this video. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one.